Threat framework. So when we log in and input our credentials, on the left side of our screen, we're going to head to, of course, threat framework. Now, all of the customizations are done within our threat framework. This is where the brains or the intelligence of our platform is located. This is also where we identify our components, the threats, and security requirements. At ThreatModeler, we always say that everything is a simple click of a button. Let's take the task of creating a customized component. When we head over here and click this create component, for this specific example, we're going to take the EC2 instance, right? And we've added the AWS EC2 instance onto our threat framework. Now, the power of threat framework is that as an organization, you can identify the relationship each specific component has with its associated threat and security requirement. For example, we can click here, and now we've gotten a list of threats associated with our component. And we can also click here to get the security requirements specific to that particular threat. Why? Because it's not enough to know the threats we need. We also need to know how to mitigate these threats. And that's where the security requirements come into play. Now, let's take it a step further. Suppose you wanted to customize and add a threat onto your threat framework. Here is a list of threats that you can add on this canvas or threat framework. And you can go over here and click this create security requirement button to add on to your threat framework that's specific to your domain or your vertical. These features truly speak to the level of personalization you get when using ThreatModeler, because once again, you are in control to customize your threat model to your organization's specific needs or domain.